Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a performance report for Tom in Pennsylvania on this Connex 33HPC one. Tom, we got you all fixed up. You sent it to me. Totally stock radio with just a conversion. It was swinging about 40 watts PEP, but only had about 1.5 watts of forward average power swing. We've since took care of that, as well as put the ERF 2030 pluses in for durability, as well as the voltage regulator upgrade. Low power, 5 watt slug, 1 watt, medium, 2 watts, high, 5 watts. 50 watt slug. I'll show you average power swing first. So instead of swinging to 3 watts bird average, now we're swinging to 19. Do the math. 50 watt slug. And got about 38 watts of clean PEP power. Yeah, you was doing a little over 40 before, but as you seen on the spectrum analyzer, wasn't clean, kind of all over the place. So we cleaned it up, and end result, about 38 PEP, but you gained about 5 times the average power. Alright, my friend, it's ready to come back to you. Hope you enjoyed. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump.